Above the clouds where edges blur, silent trails drift through endless air. No ground remains, only silver bright, floating on recursed by earthly tides. Lights shimmer in a borderless sky, whispers gather on the wings of night. Her eyes are melting into cosmic blue. We chase every spark just to leave the known. The world retreats as it spirals small. We rise into shadows never seen before. Hearts weightless in the gentle glow. Time unravels, then twines below. Vessel soaring where darkness flees, across new realms brushed by cord and breeze. Engine silent while our latest dream paints the heavens wide. In stellar fields where echoes run, we slip through planets charting the sun. No voices linger, only hope remains, written in the dark.